Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to edit a drop down list in a Google Docs. So let's started. At first open a docs file. Firstly, then we can see and this show the drop down list is elite. Now click for is drop down list and click for the add and edit option. Now delete for any names option and new option and add any name. Now name list is above and under. Now choose the color. Now click for the save option. That's okay. Then we show the edit drop down list is Google Docs app. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.